got the clutch game, baby. Still got the clutch game, baby. Still got the clutch game. All right, what up, what up, what up? All right, let me get this thing going, bro. Let's get some gas. Let's get some gas going. Yeah, you know, I don't know, man. It's been like I said, I've been telling people it's been a weird week. A lot of people, the shit that's going on right now, right with me is so crazy, and I'm gonna tell you why. Basically, so a lot of people don't understand. So I haven't really filmed the last like week and a half, 2 weeks, and the reason being is because I've been kind of struggling internally, and you know, I've been having a lot of issues with the VA. I'm a veteran, and they had a catastrophic issue that has yet to be resolved, and I don't know who to go to really. All I can do is put in complaints through the channels that I know of, but it's been going on the third week without my medication. I am diagnosed with bipolar 1, and it took so long, and it was so hard, such a long road to get diagnosed. So, you know, I've been so good, been regulated, everything's been so good, and then going on 3 weeks, it's tough mentally, man. And I've been trying my best to, you know, to get through it. My wife has been trying. You know, hopefully this will be over rather quickly, sooner than later, and it will get resolved, right? Hopefully it'll get resolved. But other than that, it's dope, man. I had to literally force myself to get on the bike today. I had to force myself, bro. Gotta fight through the mental thing, dude. And that's like the biggest issue, is it's just the mental thing. Trying to battle myself, man, to get out of the funk, right? Like I said, I tell people a lot, you know, a lot of the times with my situation is like, I'll just get, this time it was chemically induced, meaning that I just ran out of my meds, right? And I didn't really run out, like, okay, so I have refills set up, where automatically, you know, when you need a refill, you kind of just go out, you know, I go in, I log in to my VA, my vet health, and you know, I can put in that refill. Something happened to where the refills were taken away. My doctor, my primary care, my PC was changed without me knowing. So you know, it was just like, wait, what? All these things, man. It's like, it's so crazy, all right? And it's just, in the meantime, I'm over here like, well, trying not to go crazy. Can I please get my medication? Well, because your doctor is gone, we got to get this other doctor. You know, we can't just put the medication back out. Like, I was like, no. It's been tough, man. Tough. But said, I've been trying, man. way. Yo, this wind is crazy. It's like a clusterfuck over here. They've been working on this bridge. Construction though. I'm just kind of tired of it, man. I just want to get out and make some fire ass content, dude. It would be so much fun if you had people around you that did the same thing, man. That's all. So I kind of feel like, I kind of understand how it feels like with certain, I see other influencers or other motovloggers in the same spot. I see a lot of them that don't necessarily do a bunch of group stuff. They just don't have a bunch of people in the area that, you know, kind of committed to work or whatnot. So, but this guy got some really nice scoots on his, man. Those are nice, super nice. I also need to get the get my my Texas tag on here too on my windshield, so I can hit the Austin toll road. Let's go. That was the exit right there. I probably would have hit that one. Yeah, they're making a lot of progress over here. Let's see what's up, Bill. And at night, this is really, really like not the best area to come in unless you're just, like I said, hitting the highway. Now, a lot of 210 Mexico is out here big time, man. And this is, you know, this is the area that they roll in. Especially past miles. So just gotta be careful over here at night, man, because they don't have lights out here yet, because they're still rebuilding all this shit on the highway all the way down to Houston. So there's not a lot of lights, like almost none, especially on this side of the road. So, you know, they're doing this construction. People just have to be really, really careful because it is so easy to just miss where you're supposed to go. It's so easy. What the fuck is this? I don't even know. Well, I guess I shouldn't have come down here. Apparently I shouldn't have came down. I shouldn't have exited right there. See what I'm saying? Like, if this was nighttime, I can't tell if that's not technically, that's for, I'm guessing that's an access road for the work crews. But if you're not paying attention and you don't know, like, my ass could have been riding right up there. There's so much potential to get fucked up over here if you're not paying attention. Not so bad out here. It'll be much better once they extend the highways. I noticed, oh man, that wind is pushing me sideways. I noticed that your boy Dylan, Fast Lane, he went ahead and put a sticker on his damn brutality on the speedometer. People are getting tired of blurring that shit out. Yeah, see, like, this area of the new highway isn't open yet. That's why it's all abandoned. On the next side, that's where we were right now. As I say, you can really get fucked up if you're not paying attention. Right now, we just chilling on this damn access road. I was trying to find a good area to turn around. It's kind of like no man's land over here. Just trying to be careful because I know the roads aren't the best over here right now. Oh, this is the old racetrack. For a lot of people I don't know, this is the old racetrack, the old Speedway that we used to have. When you're coming into town, you might see that. Yeah, it's an old racetrack. They shut it down. They really need to bring it back because there's nowhere to race. Yeah, there's nowhere to race. There's nowhere to race legally around here because they've they're building up all these like Amazon warehouse looking things around here for Amazon and all these other companies, and it's like, come on, can y'all fix the track, man? Just fix the racetrack so we can go race. We're gonna make our way back. I tried to see if fellas wanted to go ride yesterday. Today, nobody responded, so it's a shame. Out there, right? He working today. It's super windy. Like, I feel the wind pushing me that way. I just feel it, so.